Hello, I'm Lena, and today I will tell you how I spent my weekend. It was a beautiful Saturday morning when my family and I decided to have a picnic in the park. The sun was shining brightly, and there was a gentle breeze in the air. We packed a delicious lunch consisting of sandwiches, fruit, and snacks. My parents also brought a blanket for us to sit on and a frisbee for us to play with. As we drove to the park, I couldn't contain my excitement. I love spending time outdoors with my family. And picnics are always so much fun. When we arrived at the park, we found the perfect spot under a big oak tree. We laid out our blanket and started unpacking our food. The sandwiches were made with fresh bread, and we had a variety of fillings to choose. From beef and cheese, turkey and avocado, and my favorite, peanut butter and honey. After we finished eating, my dad and I decided to play catch with the frisbee while my mom relaxed on the blanket, reading a book. We laughed and joked as we threw the frisbee back and forth, trying to see who could throw it the farthest. As the afternoon wore on, we went for a walk around the park, admiring the beautiful flowers and listening to the birds singing in the trees. We even saw a family of ducks swimming. In the pond, which was a highlight of the day for me. When it started to get late, we packed up our things and headed home. I felt tired but happy as we drove back, knowing that I had spent a wonderful day with my family, enjoying the simple pleasures of life. That weekend taught me the importance of spending quality time with loved ones and appreciating the beauty of nature. I can't wait for our next picnic adventure.
pond, pond, pond. We saw ducks swimming in the pond during our picnic at the park. Nature, nature, nature. Nature is beautiful and peaceful, giving us a sense of calm and joy. Frisbee, frisbee, frisbee. We had a lot of fun playing frisbee in the park during our picnic. Outdoors, outdoors, outdoors. I love spending time outdoors, exploring nature and feeling the fresh air on my face.
Feel free to express your ideas in the comments section below. We love hearing from our community. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest uploads. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to keep bringing you more engaging content.